Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block unknown calls on your Android in 2026. So let's get started. First, open the Contacts app on your Android device. Once the phone app opens, go to the Phone section where you can see all your recent incoming and outgoing calls. Now, find the unknown or unwanted number that you want to block. Hold on that number for a few seconds until a menu appears. From the menu, tap on More or the three-dot option, depending on your phone model. Now select Add to Block List. A confirmation message will appear on the screen. Tap on OK to confirm. From now on, that number won't be able to call or message you, and you won't receive any notifications from it. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.